Hey guys, welcome back. So in this new series, we are going to learn Adobe Campaign Standard. We call it as ACS. Now the very first thing is what is this Adobe Campaign. So if we just go by the definition, what is provided inside Adobe documentation, this is nothing but Adobe Campaign Standard. It's a service which provides a platform for designing and executing digital marketing campaigns. Now in a normal term, basically you must have seen websites where we have, for example, some sale is going on, or maybe you must have received a personalized content where you will be provided a additional discount if you go and purchase something. That is nothing but promotional emails, or maybe promotional messages you must have received, right? So those are nothing but some part of campaigning. Okay, so any website or any business, what they want to attract people, and to attract people, basically they have different business logic behind. So for example, they know about you, like you are maybe interested in apparels, or maybe you are interested in sports activities, so you are the right audience for them, so they will just target you. Now campaign, what it does, basically we have for different channels like online and offline channel, for mobile, for desktop, email, push notification, in-app messages, etc. We will create content, and based on feasibility, as in we'll have that complex, and sometimes it's very simple calculation, and we'll target the audience and we'll send the communication to them, and basically to attract people, to attract customer. Okay, so this solution, Adobe Campaign Standard, this solution will provide cross-channel campaign management solution. We'll have email, push notification, email, direct emails, in-app messages, etc. And like I said, online and offline strategies to create personalized customer experience. And it's totally web-based interface. It supports Touch UI. Okay. To access Adobe Campaign Standard, what we have to do, we have to just simply log into this URL. Basically the URL will be experience.adobe.com, and once you land on this screen, you will see basically these solutions on the screen. If you don't see campaign here, means you don't have access to it, so maybe you can ask administrator to give you that access. And right here we have this solution switcher also. Just check, you should see this campaign here. So if you just click on this one, we should land on this screen. So this is Adobe Campaigns homepage screen, where in tile we have different options available. Now, like these are just part of those options, but if we want to see like all option, we can click on this logo itself, and then like within marketing plans, within profile audience, we will have other different solutions inside. So few of them they have just provided on the home page, on the home screen itself. So let's navigate through this. So we can create an email, we can create an SMS, we can create a direct mail, we can create push notification, in-app messages, we can create campaigns inside programs, and we will have timeline. We can create customer profiles, and using those profiles we can create audience, and then we can create reports also. Okay, if we go to, basically these options are also like these only. So for example, marketing activities, this is the marketing activity, this is same URL. Program and campaign is also same URL. Profile is nothing but this customer profiles. Audience is again same. Report is again same. So kind of like same URLs, but they have given different options. Like, so for example, I want to create a new profile. One way is I will create this, or maybe this, or I will just click on this one, and then we'll go to profile and audience, and then here I will click on profile. I can create profile. Okay. Similar way to create audience, I can click here, or I can click here also. That is also fine. So all in all, like they have like given different options. In this switch also, we can just check we are in the as in we have chosen the campaign solution over here, and here we can see the notification. It's like if you guys have already seen maybe is Adobe related solutions earlier, maybe Target or Analytics, it's just same. The navigations are different, but yeah, the UI is almost same.